Hello students, today I'll teach you how to find the value of sine 18 degree. Okay, I know you might be knowing the value of some specific angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. But what about sine 18 degree? How to find it out? Let us find it. Okay, let us start it. Let I am going to consider x equal to 18 degree. Okay. Now I am going to multiply it by 5 on both the sides because I want to make it 90. So multiplying by 5 on both the sides. So what I am getting? 5x equal to 90 degree. So far so good. Okay. Now I'm going to break it. I'm going to break it 5x into two parts. That is 2x plus thrice x, which is equal to 90 degree. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this twice x on the left hand side. I'm going to take thrice x to the right hand side. So this is twice x equal to 90 degree minus thrice x. Well, now I am going to use sine on both the sides. Okay, I am writing sine of twice x equal to sine of 90 degree minus thrice x. Well, many of the students might be knowing it. Sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, right? So I'm going to write over here cosine thrice x. Well, now this sine 2x I will break it in the form of 2 sin x cos x. Okay, this will be equal to 2 sin x cos x, and this I am going to write it over here 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, now you can do one task more. You can take out common from here cos x. So in the bracket you will have 4 cos square x minus 3. Now I am going to eliminate cos x on both the sides. So I am left with 2 sin x, and on the right hand side I have 4 cos square x minus 3. Now I am going to use identities over here for cos square x. In place of that I am going to write 1 minus sin square x. So this is twice sin x equal 4 times 1 minus sin square x minus 3. Next, I am going to multiply 4 by 1 4, and this becomes 4 sin square x minus 3. Next, 2 sin x equal, this is equal to 1 minus 4 sin square x. Now come back over here. Now I am going to take everything to the left hand side. So I will get 4 sin square x plus 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now let us keep sin x equal to, like I am putting a t over here. So it becomes 4t square plus 2t minus 1 equal to 0. It looks like a quadratic equation, isn't it? Which is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation. Now I am going to use Sridharacharya's formula over here to find the value of t. Okay, over here what we have, a equal to how much? On comparing with standard form of quadratic equations, we get a equal to 4, b equal 2 and c equal -1, right? Now I am using the formula t equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Now in place of b I am putting the value 2. Again inside the root 2 whole square minus 4 times a means 4 times minus 1 divided by 2 times a means 4 over here. Next, now see, this is minus 2 plus minus, this become 4 and this is equal to 16 plus 1, 16 1 is 16 I mean over here, not plus 1, it's my mistake, 2 4 times 8. So what I am getting over here, minus 2 plus minus square root of 20 divided by 8. Now, I can also write this one as 2 times square root of 5 divided by 8. Is it clear? Next, I am going to pull out 2 common from numerator. I will get 2 times minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 8. Now reduce it, 2 table 1 time, 2 table 4 time. What I am getting? I am getting minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 4. This is the value of t what I have got. Please come over here. So I got t equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 4. Next, but over here that means I can write minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 4. Also we can write t equal to minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 4. But what is t over here? T is sine of x, which is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 4. Okay, over here we will not take this value because it is negative. Okay, and our x belongs to the first quadrant. So in first quadrant, all the value sign ratios are always positive. Over here, if you look carefully, it is like square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 4. And square root of 5 is something like 2.236. And 2.236 dot 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 minus 1, which is equal to 1.236. That means the numerator part is positive and denominator is also positive. That means I am getting the value is positive. Okay, so this is positive over here. This is sine 18 degree value what we have got. Okay, we are going to neglect this because this value is not acceptable. In the first quadrant, all the sign ratios are always positive. That's why I have discarded this value. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Thank you very much.